Guys, this is 𝗕𝗢𝗥𝗘𝗫. You're welcome to this video. I'm back with another amazing and very powerful boom and crash trading strategy. This time around is a trading strategy that allows you to trade on both sides. It's a trading strategy that allows you to buy and sell on each of the boom and crash index. So it's actually a very simple strategy. It's a very simple strategy. It uses two MAs on the main chart, as you can see on the screen, and some indicators on the indicator window 1. So let's just dive into it, and let me show you the details on how to use this simple strategy to make consistent profit in boom and crash markets. So if this is the first time you're coming to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you can always be notified whenever new videos like this are uploaded on this channel. Thank you. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to first of all make sure that it's in place when you want to use this strategy is that make sure that the zoom level of your chart is completely zoomed in. As you can see on your screen. That is the smallest candle size, you understand? So you completely zoom in, so and follow the settings as it is, as I'll be sharing with you in another video. The link to the setup is below is in the description of this video. So just make sure you set it up exactly the way it is described in the video. So how to use it. So the first thing you want to look out for after you've made sure that everything is well set up, right? So the first thing you want to look out for on the chart, on the main chart, is to look out for the cross. That's this cross here, like this one. Okay, in order to determine that this is a good cross, so let's move it to the, sorry about that. So okay, so make sure that it's completely moved to the end of the screen like this. And so the first thing you need to look out for is this cross, that is the green MA has crossed above the green MA has crossed above the red MA. You know, so that's the first thing you want to look out for. So after you've seen that cross, then you come to the indicator window 1. That same cross, because the same indicator you're seeing, this same set of MA that you're seeing, this same set of moving average, which is the green and the red line you're seeing on the main chart, is the same thing as this one you're seeing on the indicator window 1 as well. So what you just need to look out for is to make sure that this same crossing that occurred on the main chart also occur here, and it occurs, make sure that it occurs in between the two lines, because these other lines are from envelope. Excuse me. This one, this other line, this one and this one is envelope. Okay, that is sorry about that. Yeah, this one, this black line and the blue line, they are envelope. That's the indicator called envelope. So you have to make sure that this crossing is taken over in between the two of them. You have to make sure that this same cross that took place on the main chart also took place here in between the two lines of the envelope. Okay, so it is either it takes place in between them or it takes place below them. You understand? If you're using it for buy, it has to take place in between the two lines like this, or it is taking place above, that's above the blue, that's above the two of them. You understand? But most of the time you see it, the crossing takes place in between the two lines of envelope. You understand? So that is a very, very important part of the strategy. The cross must take place in between the two lines of the envelope. So once that is done, once you are sure of that, you understand, so those are the two things you just need to look out for when you want to use this strategy. So once you're able to follow that, then you can place your trade. Okay, so let's say for example this one now, you enter here, maybe somewhere around here, the end of the crossing, maybe somewhere around here, right? So let's now see what happens. So you can see after the crossing, okay, this is actually a strategy that lets you stay in the market for long, but it's not always advisable that you should stay too long in the market, because you know market can change direction at any time. So once you enter, take a reasonable amount of profit and exit the market. Look for another opportunity in another index, or you wait for another signal to occur. Okay, so that's it for that one. Let's see if this one also meets up with the criteria. Yeah, it does, right? So the cross also takes place in between the two lines of the envelope after this cross has taken place here. You understand? So you can see, so if you had entered somewhere around here, okay, if you had entered somewhere around here, yeah, somewhere around here, so you can see a lot of profit to be made. Okay, so a lot of profit to be made. So that's it. The strategy actually shows you a very, very good signal. You understand? As in, the market always obeys the indicators, the strategy, every time it gives signal. All you just need to do is to make sure that the signal you are following is exactly the way it's being described. Okay, make sure that it is exactly the way it's being described. So you can see this one as well. The cross below here took place in between the two lines of the envelope, okay, while this one also takes place above here. You understand? So, and you can see what happened eventually. You can see the market moved up so much after the crossing. So you can see, a lot of profit that could have been made in that place. So this one now, this one crossed here correctly, but this one now, the cross did not take place in between the lines. Okay, did not take place in between the lines. So let's see this one. This one now, the cross did not take place in between the line. You can see. So you should always look for a correct signal like this one now. This one is a very correct one. Okay, make sure that the cross takes place in between. This is one that determines it after you have seen this one. Okay, so you can see it's a very simple and very, very powerful trading strategy that lets you make profit easily on in boom and crash markets. So you can see this one as well. You can see the crossing. So after the crossing, what does the market do? Went down. The market always obeys this strategy whenever it occurs accurately. Okay, this one, the crossing below did not really take place. Okay, it does take place as well. So, and it could have actually been followed. So you can see a lot of profit that would have been made in that market. So let's just quickly look at another index before I round up this video. So let's just look for good signals like this one. You can see this one, the cross take place here. The first cross took place, then the second one, so you can see, took place in between the in between the envelope. Okay, and what does the market do afterwards? Went down so seriously. So you can see the strategy is very simple and at the same time very accurate. Very accurate. This one did not take place in between the lines. Okay, so this one would have been a good signal, but the one below did not take place in between, so we couldn't have followed that. All right, I guess this one did take place. Yes. So imagine if you have entered from here, somewhere here. Okay, so you can see how it went down. At least you can have made a reasonable amount of profit before the market changed direction. So you can see this is another one. The cross took place and it went down. You understand? So at least a reasonable amount of profit would have been made in that place before the market changed direction. So let's look for another good example. So you can see this one as well. And see this one as well. This is a very accurate, a very lovely signal that I gave here. Cross on the both, both on the main chart, on the indicator window one. So after the crossing, the market started going down. You can see a lot of profit would have been made if that was followed. This one was not the correct signal. So that's it, guys. I believe you have been able to understand how to use this simple strategy. So just make sure you practice it for a while, just to ensure that you have understood the strategy before you start trading it on your live account. So thank you so much for watching this video. The video that contains the setup for the strategy is in the description below this video. So just scroll down below this video and click on the link to have access to the setup video. So remember to subscribe to this channel and click on notification bell so you can always be notified whenever new videos are uploaded. So if you are yet to open account with 𝗕𝗥𝗢𝗘𝗫, which offers boom and crash, which will allow you to have access to all these indexes, all these synthetic indices that I've been talking about, then you can use the link below this video to open an account on 𝗕𝗥𝗢𝗘𝗫. Thank you so much for watching this video.